When one or two are lacking, that is plasticity. Allow me to explain. Tatlong letter H para maging qualified ka as a leader. The head, the hand, and the heart. What does it mean? A leader should know something. Kompetensya na maging leader. Ang dami nating nag-aspire kumandidato ngayon, di naman mga lawmakers. Congressman or Senate basically is law-making body. Pero hindi ko naman nilalait-lait yung mga kandidato. They don't even know about the law. So they lack competence. The second thing is the hand. What does the hand mean? Dapat masipag ka. Hindi ka lang a person of ideas and a person of knowledge. A person ka rin of action and results. That is the hand. But life doesn't end there. As a leader, you have to have a heart. What does the heart mean? It is your character. It is your attitude. So kung competent ka lang, wala kang character, you're a fake leader. And I hate to say this. This is hypocrisy. Sabihin natin, may puso ka, pero hindi ka naman competent. Ang daming mga kandidato ngayon, gusto makatulong, may puso. Pero hindi naman sila competent. Kulang pa rin. Because itong tatlo na letter H, the head, the hand, and the heart, should be so intertwined and so integrated that one will not suffice without the other. When one or two are lacking, that is plasticity. Jesus calls it hypocrisy.